how to fix Verizon Fios TV remote not working. So over here we have some correlated issues on why this is happening and the corresponding fixes to that specific issue. So for the reasons for Fios remote not working, your Fios TV remote not be working for some several reasons. So since the remote has been programmed to the setup box, several technical issues can arise preventing the remote from operating properly. So let's go ahead with the common issues, starting with drained battery. So with that, even if you're recently starting using the remote control, there's a chance that the batteries are already completely drained. So there might be an issue with the batteries you use, or maybe the remote ended up hugging the batteries faster than usual for one another. So with that specific issue, of course, you can always go ahead and try replacing the batteries because that might be the most common issue you have for that remote. Another is a programming issue. So every remote has to be programmed with a setup box to function properly. However, if the remote is not working and the batteries are new, then there might be an issue with the programming. So you have to reprogram the remote if that's the case. So if the remote is still not working, you might have to reset your Fires remote or reprogram the remote according to the setup box. Fires TV comes with three main types of remote controls, and the programming method for each one of them is different. You can consult the manual for the programming details. It should all be there, and over there they have mentioned that the step-by-step process of programming a remote control for a Vice TV box for your ease. So once you have the manual, you can go ahead and read the specific manual given to you for your specific model, brand, or remote. There's also the signal obstruction, so make sure that's not the problem. So like other remotes, the Vice TV remote also uses small near-infrared light to communicate with the receiver. So there are materials through which IR can pass. However, the near IR is pretty much similar to the visible red light in terms of wavelength. So make sure there aren't any obstacles covering your remote towards the actual receiver for the signal. And finally is that you can go ahead and try rebooting your Fios box. So if your remote stops working, your first step should be rebooting the Fios setup box, but the other methods will still go ahead and possibly work because those are one of the most common issues you can have for a remote. So resetting the Fios box is quite simple. So if you can't figure out why your remote is not working, you might have to reset your Fios box. So to reset, all you have to do is unplug the power cord for 15 seconds, then plug it in. Wait until the time details appear on the set-top box LCD. Turn the device on, and the interactive media guide updates will start in a few minutes. So you can go ahead and do that and see if that will help your remote from not working. But hopefully one of these can help you, and if the information of this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all.